it's like to feel these feelings. Oh, maganda nga yan. Like I do. Not blame you. No one but touches are their anger. None of my pain can show through. Anong title bilang? But my dreams, the answer's empty. My generation? As my conscience seems to be. Show me what you got. Ilan lang yung alam ko sa kanila. I have hours only lonely. My love is vengeance that's never free. My generations, show me what you got. Take a look around. Yan lang yung mga anak ko. Dalawa lang yung alam kong kantahin. Ito at saka yung ano. Ito lang pala. Mahirap kantahin yung iba. Mga rap kasi. Kato hindi naman to ano, masyadong ano yung rap. Ito lang yung gusto ko ano sa kanila eh. Hindi ko lang alam yung title nung ano. No one knows what it's like to be mistreated, to be defeated behind the walls. No one knows how to say that they're sorry. Don't worry, I'm not telling lies, but my dreams, they aren't as empty as my conscience seems to be. I have hours only lonely. My love is vengeance that's never free. No one knows what it's like to be the bad man, to be the sad man behind the walls. Hay là tập ít chịu bạn.
الكرة عالم.
For what's been missed right here, I wanna fall wide awake now. Salamat sa inyo. Thank you. Sino yung replay natin? Been searching somewhere out there. Ooh. Nice. Ano ka ngayon? Ano ka? Ay, Friday pala ngayon. Ako lang dito mag-Isabela, walang amo. Kaya kakanta ako hanggang bukas. Joke lang. Anong mga niluto mo, Bella? Behind blue eyes, but my dreams. Parehas tayo. Kantahin ko muna to ha. Ma'am Lucia, hello. Kantahin ko muna to ha. Ano pa bang kantang ano mo, Bella? Alam mo, Bella? Baka alam ko rin. Try natin kantahin. Sarap ng chicken joy. Every single day I think of at times that you are still mine.